we are going to discuss about mathematical representation of QPSK. A quadrature phase shift keying signal can be represented mathematically as V suffix QPSK is equal square root of 2ps cos of omega ct plus 2m plus 1 into pi by 4, where small m is equal 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So by substituting the values of small m from 0 to 3 in this equation, and this is the equation of the quadrature phase shift keying. So now here where m is varies from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. In this equation, small m is substituted by 0 to 3. We get four message signals. So first substitute m is equal to 0. So for m is equal to 0, we get the quadrature phase shift keying signal is S1 is equal square root of 2ps cos of omega ct plus pi by 4. So in this equation, substitute m is equal to 0. This we get the symbol S1. And next substitute m is equal to 1 and the symbol S2 is square root of 2ps cos of omega ct plus 3 pi by 4. Next substitute m is equal to 2, we get the symbol S3 is square root of 2ps cos of omega ct plus 5 pi by 4. And substitute m is equal to 3, we get v suffix qpsk is equal square root of 2ps cos of omega ct plus 7 pi by 4. And what is alternative representation of the QPSK? The alternative representation is 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 is the alternative representation. So 1 0 mean symbol S1, 0 0 mean symbol S2 and 0 1 mean symbol S3, 1 1 mean symbol S4. And what is its carrier phase shift? For symbol S1, the carrier phase shift is pi by 4 radians, and symbol S2, the carrier phase shift is 3 pi by 4, and the symbol S3, the carrier phase shift is pi by 4, and symbol S4, the carrier phase shift is 7 pi by 4. So that is alternative representation of the carrier phase shifts of the quadrature phase shift keying. So we can substitute PS in terms of the symbol energy and the symbol time duration. So we know that PS is equal E by capital T, where E is the symbol energy and capital T is the symbol time duration. Okay, so each possible value of phase corresponds to unique dB. For example, phase values represents gray coded phase values to represent gray coded set of dBits. So that gray coded set of dBits are 1 0. That gray coded set of dBits are 1 0 0 0 0 1 and 1 1 is the gray coded representation of the set of dBits. And this is the concept of mathematical representation of a quadrature phase shift keying. Next, we are going to discuss about signal space representation of quadrature phase shift keying signal. So we know that the mathematical expression of the quadrature phase shift keying signal is V suffix QPSK is equal square root of 2ps cos of omega ct plus 2m plus 1 into pi by 4, where m is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So this is the mathematical representation of the quadrature phase shift keying signal. So we know that the standard expression using the trigonometric rule, the standard expression is cos of a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So using the standard expression, the above expression of the RHS term is simplified as square root of 2ps into cos of omega ct cos of 2m plus 1 pi by 4 minus sin of omega ct sin of 2m plus 1 into pi by 4. So using this basic expression, basic formula, the RHS term of this equation 1 is simplified as this one. And after that multiplying this square root of 2ps into within the bracket term. So this equation is also arranged as V suffix QPSK is equal square root of TSPS into cos of 2m plus 1 pi by 4 into square root of 2 by Ts cos of omega ct minus square root of TSPS into sin of 2m plus 1 pi by 4 into square root of 2 by Ts sin of omega ct. So the above equation is also arranged as this one. So now here on RHS side, square root of Ts is the cancel in the first term. Square root of 2s is the cancel. We get previous term of the first term. And the second term also square root of Ts is cancelled. We get previous term of the second term. Okay. In this equation RHS side, first term and second term square root of 2s is cancelled. We get previous expression of the RHS term. So this RHS term is also be rearranged as this one. And we also assume that the carrier phase shifts, the carrier signals are carrier basis functions. Pi 1 of sorry. See, in this equation, let us assume that the even signal B of t is equal square root of 2 into cos of 2m plus 1 pi by 4, and odd signal B naught of t is equal square root of 2 sin of 2m plus 1 into pi by 4. And also assume that the basis function pi 1 of t or u1 of t is equal square root of 2 by ts cos of omega ct, and pi 2 of t is equal square root of 2 by ts sin of omega ct. So here pi 1 of t and pi 2 of t are the basis functions, and substitute equation 3 and equation 4 into equation 2, we get, and substitute this equation number 4 and this equation number 3 into equation number 2, we get the resultant expression of the quadrature phase shift keying. V suffix QPSK is equal square root of TSPS into 1 by root 2 BE of t U1 of t minus square root of TSPS 1 by root 2 BO of t U2 of t, where u1 of t, u2 of t are pi 1 of t and pi 2 of t are two orthogonal basis function. In the generation of QPSK signal, these orthogonal signals are used as a carriers. In this equation number 5, Ts is the symbol duration. In QPSK, two successive bits will form one symbol. Now here, two symbols are transmitted at a time, two bits are transmitted at a time. So therefore, two successive bits will form one symbol. Hence, the symbol duration Ts is equal to 2 into TB, 2 TB. And substituting Ts is equal to 2 TB into this equation, we get the expression of the quadrature phase shift keying is V UPSK is equal Ts is substituted by 2 TB square root of 2 TB PS into 1 by root 2 BE of t U1 of t minus square root of 2 TB PS into 1 by root 2 BO of t U2 of t. So on the both the terms square root of 2 is the cancel, we get and PS into TB is equal energy bit EB. At the same time substitute PS into TB is equal to EB, we get V suffix QPSK is equal square root of EB BE of t U1 of t minus square root of EB BO of t U of t. So this equation can be used to plot the signal space representation of a quadrature phase shift keying signal. So the graphical representation of signal space representation of quadrature phase shift keying signal as shown in this figure. So this is the signal space representation of a quadrature phase shift keying signal. Now here and x-axis is represented by pi 1 of t or u1 of t, and there are two reference axes. There are two axes. So one axis is pi 1 of t or u1 of t, and another axis is pi 2 of t or u2 of t. And there are four symbols, that is s1 of t, s2 of t, s3 of t, and s4 of t. So now here, what is the symbol S1 of T? 0, 1, and 0 mean lower voltage level, 1 mean higher voltage level. In non-polar, non-return to 0, bipolar, non-return to 0 signaling concept, and the positive high in voltage is represented by positive voltage level, and low in voltage is represented by negative voltage level. So using that concept, 0, 1 is represented as minus 1, 1, and 0 0 is represented as minus 1, and 1 0 is represented as 1 minus 1. So 1 1 is represented as 1 1. And next calculate the distance from origin to S1, origin to S2, origin to S3, origin to S4. Now here I am calculating the distance from origin to S4. So 0 minus S4 whole square is equal PSTB plus PSTB. 0 minus S4 whole square is S4 whole square. Now here in this figure, and what is this distance? Square root of PSTB. So therefore, square root of PSTB whole square plus square root of PSTB whole square. So square root of PSTB whole square plus square root of PSTB whole square is PSTB plus PSTB, which is equal to 2 PSTB. But PSTB is equal EB, energy bit. So therefore the distance S4 is equal square root of ES. So the square root of ES is distance is observed from this figure. So from origin to S4 the distance is square root of ES, and similarly we can determine the distance 0 to S1, 0 to S2, 0 to S3, and all the distance are equal. So that is square root of ES.